What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mint and we're back again with another video. Today I want to jump right into it and talk about two projects I came across this week that I think have a lot of upside potential and a lot of room for growth. My prediction so far is going to be about 30x for each of these, and since their mint price they have blasted off. The first project I want to talk about is Doodles. This project dropped on Sunday with a minting price of 0.123 Ethereum, and it's climbed all the way up to 1.34 Ethereum before the pre-reveal, and that's already a 10x in about a day. But I think this has a lot more room for growth, especially with a lot of NFTs cooling down and not being so hyperbolic. This gives a little bit of room for a lot of people to enter the space if you're interested about entering a new project. I think Doodles has the potential to be a future blue chip contender, but once again, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. They sold out pretty quickly. I believe it was within the first hour. And what Doodles is it's a 10,000 profile picture NFT project that is honestly created by a super team of individuals in the NFT space. As you go down, you can see that the entire team is doxed. These individuals have been in the NFT space for quite some time. They have worked on very big name projects and have had a wide array of experience. You can see from here on Evan, he's also known as Tulip in the community, and he's worked with Dapper Labs and CryptoKitties. Then we have the main man of this project, who is the founder. This is Burnt Toast. He's worked with some notable companies, most notably WhatsApp, Google, and Snapchat. And then we have Poopy Cats, who is also known as leading CryptoKitties on Dapper Labs in the past. These are very notable individuals in the NFT community, and they're not going to tarnish their name by creating a bad project. If you head over here to OpenSea, you can see that they're sitting at a price about 0.839 Ethereum. And so since their launch of 0.123, it's already been an 8x, and there's still more room for growth. Overall, I really just like the artwork of this project. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the colorful backgrounds or the simplicity, but it's giving me very big Cool Cat vibes. And if you're not very in tune with the NFT space, the Cool Cat community aped into this. When I was seeing all of the tweets and all of the individuals talking about Doodles, I had such bad FOMO, I aped in too. Looking up here, for only being released for less than 3 days, it's already garnered upwards of 8,000 Ethereum in volume traded with 4,000 owners. So that's a very equal distribution with a lot of volume. When you have this much volume flowing through a project, consistently ranking amongst the top projects on OpenSea, it's garnering a lot of traction. A lot of individuals will be looking into this, and really it's just going to bring in more people to the NFT space in general. But the team is working towards creating a DAO, and with the DAO, and if you guys don't know what a DAO is, it stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organizations. In short, every person that owns a Doodle will have a vote in the community. Within these community votes, they get to decide what happens with the future of the project. If they want to work towards creating a utility token, purchasing other things, creating staking, video games, whatever it is, the DAO will garner the interest of the community and then move in that direction. By creating a DAO, it's kind of the norm these days. A lot of projects are coming out with utility tokens for staking. There's a lot of room for growth on this once again. This is my blue chip play for the next couple months, and in short, I just really like this project. If you come over to their Twitter, you can see that they're sitting at about almost 40,000 followers. Very transparent team and a lot of community engagement. A lot of notable influencers are also jumping right into this project, so I don't know how much longer it's going to stay at this floor. They also recently opened up their Discord for the public this week, and as you can see, they don't have as many members, but I'm sure that will change. And here you will get just a lot of general information with the project if you want to see what their updates are, engage with the community, and then just see what others are talking about amongst themselves. You can just see that this project team has put a lot of time in their communication and marketing as well as the art. A lot was done with the effort of the team itself, and I just see a huge potential with this project. A lot of neat designs, and I just think the color coordination with the simplistic nature of the artwork will garner a lot of attraction to this project. The next project I want to talk about is HeadDAO. Now, this is a more speculative play, and I definitely recommend to do your own research with this one. If you haven't noticed, a big trend in the NFT space has that community-led DAO projects with utility tokens. So as I mentioned before, Mutant Cats created a DAO with vaults of fractionalized blue chip NFTs, and then they drop fish tokens to all of the holders as essentially being a part of that vault. So HeadDAO is doing the same thing, but this was created by an NFT influencer by the name of Shamdu. Their goal here is to essentially buy blue chip NFTs and then fractionalize them and put them into a DAO. Here we can see that, welcome to HeadDAO, we fractionalize blue chips instead of just cool cats. A little bit of a shot at the Mutant Cats team, but they don't actually just do cool cats, so that should be corrected. Here they'll receive head tokens representing fractional shares of NFTs held in the community vault, and members will also get exclusive access to the community, sham dues, cat picks, and voting rights over the DAO assets. So in simple, it's just a big vault full of blue chip NFTs where you're paying in to get the project and you'll have a piece of the pie. The difference is that they will use all kinds of blue chip NFTs, and so far they've already acquired one CryptoPunk to this day, as well as a Bored Ape Yacht Club. They're also fairly transparent with their team, as they've been fully doxed and very well known in the NFT community, Shamdu being the creator. And just kind of following along some of these influencers, I've gotten some of my best plays. I got into Pudgy Penguins, Cool Cats way early on, ended up selling a lot of these projects. I've already gotten success from these individuals. Why not take a small bet and play a part of their bigger dreams and community that they're trying to create? The artwork in itself is very pixelated. It's just a bunch of little characters with different heads, and you get the head token as your fractional token drop. Once again, this is not a passive income source. One head equals one head. And I'm saying this in quotes because everyone comes and kills me when I say these are passive incomes. Whatever you want to say, man. If you get head and you sell it on the internet, you can call that online prostitution. But let's be real. You're making money when you sell the head on the secondary market or utilizing it for anything else. Not passive income, I guess. So hopping over to their OpenSea, you can see that they're sitting at about 0.22 Ethereum. I went in heavy on this project when they dropped on Sunday, right after the mint, because I unfortunately couldn't get in at mint. And I was getting them on the secondary for 0.139, and I watched the price of the floor go up to 0.4. So with the 0.055 Ethereum climbing to 0.4 plus, that's already a 10x in the first week of launch. They've also gathered upwards of 1.5k Ethereum in volume traded, so that's also very good. A good distribution of owners as well, with 3.7k owners. And then here you can see that the art overall is just very pixelated. It's nothing more than just kind of entering the vault that they're going to be creating. If you're outpriced of a lot of NFTs, especially blue chips, and you're trying to get in, these are the projects that are catered to you. You can't afford a punk, you can't afford a Bored Ape, then you enter a project like this that buys those blue chips, creates a fractionalized vault, which then is spread throughout a token that they drop, such as head, and then distributed to the holders. They started with 80% of all minting funds to their treasury, and I believe Mutant Cats had 20%. So already HeadDAO off the bat has almost just as much in their treasury vault as Mutant Cats, and they're a 1 week old project. And here, if we look at this tweet, you can see that HeadDAO's floor at the time was 0.35. So the total DAO has 500. Mutant Cats currently is at a 1.6 with a total of 885 in their DAO. Either Mutant Cats is overvalued or HeadDAO is undervalued. Now, knowing that I've been in Mutant Cats for some time, I really do think Mutant Cats has a lot more potential down the road. So I look at this play as very undervalued, and I believe that there is room for growth upwards at least to reach that 1 ETH valuation. Here you can see that they've already purchased their first punk for about almost 100 ETH, which is mind-blowing that they've made so much progress so quickly. And they're currently working on their staking platform, so that is not up yet. But once staking is released, I believe that this will push the project upwards and more people will start flowing in once they realize that there's staking, utility tokens, and a lot of blue chips already in their DAO. And once again, I want to repeat that this is my speculative play. I will exit if I see too much going down too quickly or if there's some nonsensical FUD that's released, because I'm not here to just hold the bag till I go to zero, okay? This is a speculative play. I repeat that. Well, that's all I had for today, folks. Just wanted to talk about 2 quick projects that I hopped on this week. Doodles being what I believe a future NFT blue chip contender, and then HeadDAO, more of a speculative play, very similar to Nouns, but it's just helping individuals get into blue chips that they're priced out of by holding or staking this NFT. Just to kind of talk about the market in general, NFTs have been being taking a dump lately, so a lot of funds are going to be getting out of the NFT space, so please expect a pullback on almost all projects. That doesn't necessarily mean they failed, it's just giving you an opportunity to buy in at a price you can afford. Remember, money's made in bear cycles, bear markets, and this is your opportunity. If you have faith in any project, go in now, because you might miss this shot once all the money is going to come back in NFTs. I've been playing the crypto game since 2017. NFTs more so has been new for me, but but it still follows the same cycle. Bitcoin gets all the attention first, then money goes into Ethereum and top 50 altcoins. After the altcoins have gotten some gains, they start moving into higher risk portfolios. This is lower cap altcoins and NFTs. We're still at Bitcoin right now, so wait it out, wait a couple weeks for the money to start flowing in once Coinbase has their own marketplace and more users are implemented into the NFT space. I foresee a lot of these projects that have been going down recently exploding in the coming months. So, that's the video today. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification to stay up to date. I'm your boy Mint, and I'll catch you guys next time.